Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlog.
Yo, vatos locos. This is Lazymangarage. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazymangarage.
You're watching Lazymangarage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazymangarage.
That's so sick, dude. This is Robert's right-hand drive, S14. Straight from the motherland itself. That's so sick. Should show the motor, yeah? How was it driving back? Okay. Does it do that thing that you were talking about where you turn it off and it goes, "You okay, that doesn't matter," or whatever? You're an idiot.
I kept looking for him on the passenger side. I was like, where's Robert? What's he driving?
The RV? SR20 notch top.
I have to get a zip tie for that one.
So you said when you start it, it does that thing? I want to, hold on, wait. I want to see.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's so sick. It speaks Japanese when you turn it on. That's so fucking sick, dude. This is dope. Bright seat. No back seat because it used to be. Oh, even has a strut bar. What? Blitz shift knob. Thing is ill. CD player. Speakers. I don't know if that's stock on this car.
What is it?
So this was a car from Japan that was a drift car. Still is, kind of, because I mean, you know, Robert. But it's a real right-hand drive S14 straight from Japan. I'm not gonna tell you guys how much he spent on it because that's his business.
He paid $150,000, but the guy settled for $50.
Do you like it or?
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah, it's great. Love it. It's sick, dude.
Where's that Shy Guy sticker?
Wow.
Slap that bitch on there. I want to get a driver on sticker.
Man, this thing is fucking low, dude. My shoe barely fits on you here.
Shut the fuck up.
You're not. Look what the fuck you're wearing, bitch.
Yes, but come on.
I went like this. I leaned forward. Yeah.
Look by the mirror.
Oh, that's so sick, dude. How many heads did you break on the way here?
A good amount. I've seen a couple people like, what the fuck?
Got to go import face off now with this.
Chinatown?
A couple more things.
Like-
I gotta fix a couple more things.
Does it have two-step?
No.
No?
That was when I
Your parking light
revved right.
doesn't work,
That was
though.
not.
Your parking lights don't work though.
Yeah, I know. I gotta find bulbs, and I'll probably just end up yanking harnesses and
Make your own?
taping some shit. It'd be like that.
Built.
It'd be like that.
Do you know what horsepower it is? No?
2.
Yeah, 2 horsepower.
Oh, okay. I see
Just
why they call it a notch top because it has a pump to it.
Yeah, it's got the notch in the back.
Okay. I told Nick that you went to go pick it up, and he said, "What? Are you serious?" And I was like, "Yeah." And he goes, "Okay." And I was like, "What's wrong, dude? You sound mad." He goes, I'm a little salty. I'm not gonna lie." He goes, "I wanted to see it." I was like, "But you're with Lily." He goes, "And?"
So, I think he's gonna spend the night here in the garage.
You can put it in the back if you want.
I can. Don't matter. I need a car cover. If I'm gonna
I don't have one. You can get one at AutoZone though, for like 30
You
bucks.
just spent
34.
9,500.
Bitch, I said don't tell the fucking people the price.
What? Oh, you're.
Yeah, it's for YouTube.
Oh, you fucking idiot. Then
You're the
cut it out.
fucking idiot.
Clip that
Just,
out.
yeah, just fucking bleep.
I'm here with Edgar, fellow subscriber. Damn, this shit is clean.
I like that intake.
I like those headers.
I like it all.
Did you get it tuned?
Yeah. I got it tuned at Auto Import Pros.
Somewhere over there,
Actually, it's out in Anaheim.
Anaheim.
Some guy David, he's really good, man. He tuned it, made a little over 200.
A little over 200. That's not bad. This shit's nice, dude. This is really nice. On what is it? D2 coilovers.
Import Auto Pros. That's what it was.
He has the innovative mounts, Rico.
Passport boy.
He just got recently partnered with Passport. So now
I
he's
have,
on.
but I'm not gonna lie. I have innovative ones on my. I bought innovative for the DA.
I got the competition, man.
Yeah.
This
This is
sick.
what I'm going for, dude. Just simple and clean like this. I have another dough, so this one's just bone stock. My
Oh,
other
it's a
one I have a
Japanese
Type R
model,
swap,
too.
B18C. And
It's way more Japanese than your S14 over there.
This is the
It'd
one
be
that
like
has
that?
the glass top.
yeah, there's a glass top on it.
So
Look at
cool.
mine. Since I've used it so much and it's been in the sun, it gets warped.
Did you
It's plexiglass? It's not glass.
did you get this re-powder coated or did you buy it like that, brand new?
He had
That's
to, yeah.
that's an original Type R valve cover.
Oh shit.
I mean the cover.
Okay, because every time I see him,
But the
they
paint?
yeah.
The paint too?
Yeah, well, it's original. I got it from Honda like that.
Damn, you bought it? You bought this brand new from Honda?
Yeah.
Jesus, how much was that?
Which one is this though?
Came out to me like a little over 250.
Is this like an
Oh, that's
EK9
not
Type
bad.
R valve cover, or is it?
It's a B16.
Oh, B16, yeah, because I have the
Damn.
Integra Type R one, and it has something else as right here.
Oh, he's
What does it say on
B20V.
mine?
He's B20V.
But mine is different, but yeah, that shit's sick.
That's dope, dude.
You can tell it's original, bro, because just the
I've
wrinkles even.
never seen it like that before. I've never
So
seen.
even.
I always see them all like sprayed
Actual
and stuff. They
wrinkles.
look
Yeah.
kind of like funky, but that's actually that's pretty fucking sick, dude.
This is a super clean setup. It's got fucking everything. AEM, fuel rail, fucking injectors.
DC Sports and
RC injectors.
This is like the one I just sold to Luis, and he crashed.
I'm saving up.
Sorry,
sad.
Luis.
Like
This
8
is Robert's
months ago?
S14 and Better Daylight. As you guys can see, it's pink as hell. He just washed it. All original. I did. Buddy Club P1 rims.
Buddy Club P1 Racing.
What kind of body kit is this again?
Nav van front bumper, side skirts. Side skirts are one, and then the rear bumper and the fenders are another kit. I don't remember.
Has a HPI piping. It's a notch top. It's an SR20 notch top. Cusco strut bars all the way around.
Is this a daily? Did you drive it for fun?
Cusco.
Yeah, I just picked it up.
Blitz shift knob. Greddy. Greddy oil pressure and HKS turbo timer, I think. And
Eventually, yeah.
turbo timer. Well, the gauges. They're both HKS. Both of these gauges right here, HKS. That one down there is Greddy. This is a Nardi steering wheel. Bride seat. ECT. Electric toll computer. Power windows.
Jacob lowered the car.
Even the radio has Japanese music CDs in it. This car is like the real deal. Real. See, look, there's the Cusco bar in the back.
7 other brand red cars. So we just kind of, he takes his big.
I'm not slamming them. I don't want to slam your doors. I know you
That
said.
one you don't have to slam.
I'm just scared because of glass, you know.
Yeah, that's why it's
Okay, and the steering wheel's all done. Sorry I didn't show you guys how to do it. Yeah, I know I'm gonna get a few people who I know personally are gonna give me a few bit of slack for this. How come you didn't film it? How come? No, because I didn't want to take up his time, and I just wanted to get it done for him because he's really excited. So that's all done. It's all squared away. Robert's over here just letting his turbo cool off. Must be nice to have a turbo. Rico's in my way. Walking past Rico. putting bolts down, walking back to Edgar's car, almost stepping on Rico's flat foot, and then I'm going back to the car. So me and the guys are just over here, just chilling, and out of fucking left field, Young Static shows up, just out of left field.
Yo, we were in town, figured we'd stop by real quick, you feel me? Right down the street, we came from the drag strip, so, you know.
Oh yeah, did you race today? Or?
Nah, we just came to spectate. You know what I'm saying? Stop by real quick and say what's up to you. Figured you guys are always in the garage. I'm like, I told my buddy, I said, hey, when you pull up, just stare at him.
I was like, who is it staring at him,
I was
bro?
like, it's that dude right there with the
over.
hair. I was like, his hat's
What up, man?
bro, just stare at him.
Dolby is a free elf.
No, I'm not live right now. This is YouTube.
Did you guys see
What
our...
are you, bitch? What you guys up to? Hey guys, what's going on? You know, what you guys getting into tonight? Yeah, we came in town this morning just to. We were supposed to go buy a motor. The guy flaked on us, and then we just went to DRN instead and just hung out there. We met PFI, Speed, the whole crew.
Oh yeah?
They were out there, and then I was like, going through your messenger. I was like, "Where's his address at?" I'm like, "Right here around the corner. Just go by there real quick." So we just swung by real quick, and then you know, figured we'd pay you a visit. You know, like I told you, man, every time
that's really sick of you, dude.
I'll try to come by and shit. And this was like a last minute thing for us. I was like, fuck it, we're already down here. Let's make it worth the trip. Hell yeah. PFI already made my trip worth it, and then coming out here paying a visit too, man, it's like I don't often come this way, so.
Dude,
why
like
not?
I was like, okay, so he showed up with the S14 yesterday. I was like, all right, tomorrow's gonna be dope. We're gonna be working on it. Then fucking he shows up with his car, and I was like, all right, cool. Rico's hanging out. He shows up. He's a subscriber. He shows up. We just finished his car.
Appreciate it. Hell yeah.
We just finished his car, and then he tells me that he can get him a motor for free from this car. So I call him up. He shows up, and then he shows up out of the blue, and I was like, oh shit, today this can't get any better. It's like Fast and Furious right now. Then you show up, and I was like, oh shit.
Hey man, like I told you, bro.
The fucking cherry on top, dude.
It's the icing, bro. Yeah, bro, I missed him last time. He's the cherry. He had the right hat, so it makes sense.
Robert's gonna go take Young Static on a ride right now. All right, Alex. So tell people what happened.
I thought you guys told me to do a pull, and I did a pull.
And what happened?
I got yelled at by a crazy old man.
Well, he's not crazy.
Sounded crazy though. I apologize, and he still fucking kept ranting.
No, I'm talking about your car, fool. What happened?
Man, I was missing bolts on the transmission belt. And the JDM guys gave me a bolt, and I put it on.
It's gonna add far more horsepower to the car.
Thank Christ.
I mean, at least you know it's secure now. It's going nowhere.
It's not going nowhere.
Solid.
If you guys are going to the VTEC Club races in November, go make sure you see this guy. If you see this guy, tell him, what's up? Say, what's up, Raphael? When you see him. And tell him your salsa sucks or something like that. I don't know. And that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I had a kick-ass day today. Today was awesome. Young Static, Dana showed up. If you guys haven't subscribed to the EF God himself, you guys are truly missing out. Came by, hooked him up with a shirt. Really cool dude. Surprised me, dude. It was like, I appreciate everything that you do, man, and I appreciate that you even stopped by. I was like, there's this guy, and his friend Jesus was in the car staring at me, and I'm like, yeah, can I help you? And then you just see like Static just go like that, and I was like, oh shit. So kind of surprised me. It was funny. It was dope. I had fun. Hi, puppy. That's my baby girl. It's my little doggy.
Say hi. Say hi.
But if you guys like this video, please make sure you smack that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys need anything in the Inland Empire area for your motor, head on over to SB Machine Shop. Link is down below to their Instagram. If you guys need any car part in the U.S., he ships. If you're local in the Inland Empire area, like Montclair or San Bernardino, anywhere, OMO Motorsports is the place to go to buy all the parts that you need. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.